be more applicable specifically to the Anaheim mandate in that time is of the essence, right? So you don't want to be spending, because there is a deadline on by which you need to be installing the solution. If you're spending a lot of time figuring out what is the most cost-effective solution, what is the one that gives me the best growth for the future, that's going to take some time, and that's where our approach of being modular, right? You don't have to put in anything more than you need today. That helps you out. And we actually have a very fast turnaround because we're located right here in San Diego, in Southern California, in the San Diego area. So we offer a way that we will, completely do the install, but we also can guide you through a self-install if that's of interest to you. But the important thing is that sometimes if you make a choice quickly, you might end up painting yourself into a corner with a solution that has very, very little room for growth. And that's not going to happen with Location Tech, because our system from ground up is built for expandability and for growth, and only the ones that you want. So you can make a decision quickly and get it installed and meet the deadlines of the mandate while not painting yourself into any corner or reducing your future options. And let's talking of options, let's move. Yeah, so this one, Jeff and we both alluded to this, how our solution, I'm not going to get into all the details of the slide, but the basic point is that our system is a platform. So you could start with panic buttons, and then Jeff has a few customer case studies later on in the webinar where he'll talk specifically about these. But once you have the panic button system in place, you can add other building monitoring kind of solutions in there, whether it's water leak sensing, air quality sensing, theft detection, tamper sensing, and so on. So without any added infrastructure, that's the main part. We'll add the new sensor, of course, but you don't need any new infrastructure. And that's, again, our design principle from ground up. We want to make it expandable. We want to make it modular, and you shouldn't have to rip out and replace anything. So we call it the platform solution versus the point solution, which is what a lot of the competition is, which is you can get the panic button solution, but that's it. You really cannot add anything else to it.